Have you ever shaken someone's hand, heard their name clearly, and then forgotten it just seconds later, leaving you awkwardly searching your memory? This common experience is not a sign of low intelligence, but rather a reflection of how our brain naturally prioritizes and processes information. Our brain is constantly filtering thousands of details every second, and unless something feels important or emotionally engaging, it simply does not store it effectively. When we meet someone new, we are often more focused on our own thoughts, appearance, or what to say next, which prevents the brain from encoding the name properly. This means the problem is not memory itself, but attention, because without attention, memory cannot even begin to form. Scientifically, this process is linked to how the hippocampus, the memory center of the brain, encodes and retrieves information based on relevance and repetition. If a name is heard only once and without focus, the brain treats it as low priority and quickly discards it. However, the exciting truth is that we can rewire our memory systems through simple yet powerful techniques. One effective method is to repeat the person's name immediately during conversation, which signals the brain that this information matters. Another strategy is to create a vivid mental image or association connected to the name, making it more memorable and easier to recall. For example, if you meet someone named Rose, you can imagine a bright red flower, which strengthens the neural connection. Additionally, asking questions and using the name multiple times naturally reinforces memory through repetition and engagement. Over time, these small habits train your brain to become more attentive and efficient in storing names.